give me that head now. Whoa. Play with the money, I wrap you a bow tie. Aim at the middle, your dome, that's a bow tie. Remember 5th grade, I was selling that coke. I beat the 100, I would not tell no lie.
Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Right now, I'm out here in the freezing cold. Look upon the grass. Look like space grass. I've got a little something for your advent calendar. If you're gonna wanna see this. Push. You see what I'm saying? You see the beauty of this bike right now? Even though she a little real dirty right now still. Oh my gosh, look how dirty she is right now. Dirty bitch. A lot of you been asking me to do a bike check on this drone for a while, but I've been like, nah. Do you wanna know where? I've been trying to make this bike as beautiful as possible, and then I wanted to do a bike check. Obviously, the bike is still not fully done. Like, there's a couple of stuff I need to change around in it. I want to make it like a reflective thing. I'm not gonna tell you man too much in the car, someone gonna steal my idea. But bro, I've got plans for this bike right here still. It's getting colder. That means nights are darker and they come earlier. So make sure you're seen. This is where my bike is green.
Listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
What should we start with? What should we start with? Let's start with the bars. Like, don't just look sick. I'm low-key thinking of changing them to black though. But that's a little concept. Best bars in the game, 100%. I'm doing this bike check when she's dirty. I should have cleaned her up. Bro. I'm moving on to the tires. You know why? Because these tires are sick. These tires are sick. Like, they make the bike feel so smooth. And I haven't even pumped them up yet. Like, this one's not pumped because I have to use a hand pump. Neither is this one. Tuesday, shout out to One More Joe, because on the ride out, which is in my last video, yeah, I watched my last video. That was a sick video still. Shout out to One More Joe because he brought the tires to a ride out, and I came late to the ride out Tuesday. Black man timing. It is what it is. Joe had to hold the tires the whole ride out because I thought I was gonna get there earlier, change the tires real quick. Didn't happen. Hook comes. Mad thing. Like, don't get me wrong, snake skins are cold, innit? Snake skins are cold. But hook comes bumper. You have the little green bar ends, they look nice, not that deep. But we have a SLX brake. You already know I love my SLXs, bro. A good SLX will serve you for life. I think I need to bleed my one. I haven't bled it in like a year. I like being able to use one finger with my brakes so I can combo. Like, with these brakes, I have like the freedom to just let go when I'm doing a combo, just so I can get that balance point. You know what I mean about balance point and brakes. I've got a Mafia seat right here. This is due to get changed. I just like the feel of the seat. Like, the seats is nice. I like the seat. DMR bike pedals, grippy. You know the vibes. These pedals are sick still. These pedals will kill your shin, but they have lovely grip. So we move. You have to firm it. For my brake system, I've got the actual Shimano, what's it called? The resin pads at the moment. Cause the metal ones, I don't really like. I don't know what it is. They always just mess up on me. But yeah, and I've got an Aztec rotor. This Aztec rotor, it just works so well with the pads and the whole brake. I've had this bike for a couple months, and I have no major problems with it. Like, big problems. Like, there's been a couple issues where my spindle has snapped off. Just make sure that your spindle is actually in the middle of the cranks. A lot of people have problems with the dropouts in the thing about their wheel moving and that. Bro, all you need is the correct spacers and lock nuts, bigger lock nuts. Never had a 27.5, and I think that would be my best size. But the 29er, this 29er, it's like It's not too big, but it's not too smooth. Because look at the frame. The way the frame is, you can adjust the seat and it'll just be comfortable to wherever you want it. Like if you're a big guy and you put the seat up a little bit higher, 29 will be calm. If you're small and you put the seat all the way down, still be calm. Alright, so that's how 129 is looking at the moment until I start changing things properly up. And you'll see how I change them up. But yeah, our street's beautiful. You're gonna get some clips of me on the ting right now.
Yes, supply.
Start a season.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Oh! Okay.
So guys, that's gonna be the end of the video today. Ask everyone to subscribe, hit that button, hit the like button. Bro, I'm not good at doing this, wait. Hit the like button. I don't care if you don't like the video, hit the like button. Honestly, if you liked it, drop a like, subscribe, all of that. But any other video ideas you want me to do, put it in the comments, like literally right now, because I'm trying to do as many videos as possible. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you lot soon.